create an online language learning and courses website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button, and then it will take us to the templates page where we can choose templates for our website or for our online store on whatever that website is about. So here we will have a lot of pre-made templates that can help us in the creating of our website. By scrolling down you can see a lot of templates, and also we have the blank template, which is an empty template for the people that love to create their own website from scratch. So here we can filter by the type of our template, if it's an online store or a portfolio or a memberships website or blog. Also we can filter by the topic, if it's about art and design, health and beauty, fashion, travel, events, weddings. So let's see if we can find our niche, which is the language learning and courses. So let's see what we can find. So I think we don't have anything here related to education or learning, so I'm just going to choose the professional services because we're in the services business, online language learning and courses. So choose the topic and let's see what do we have. So this is about architecture, salon, also weddings planning, married and coaching, creative project management, business plus intellectual property attorneys, digital marketing, about business. So just scroll if you can find anything about learning or education, mindful meditation as a way of life. So I think we don't have anything here related to education, so we will just choose a template and adjust it to our requirements. So I think I'm going to choose the podcast template. So I'm just scrolling if I can find a better one. So here this one is about some charity for schools and teachers. So I'm going to use this one. Its name is Lusaka. So I'm going to click on preview Lusaka to see the template and if I can work with it. So click on view demo site, and it will take us to this page where we can see the website in full width. So as you can see, I like the design, so it will just need some adjustments and we will have our website ready. So just click on start with this design and wait for them to set things up for you. So it will take a few seconds, then they will request you to give them a title for your website or your template, but for me I'm going to type in my niche's name to differentiate between my websites. You can always skip the title step, but I'm not going to skip it. It's pretty important for me. So just give it a few seconds, guys. There is no harm in being patient. So just wait for it. So here, as you can see, you can type in your title's name right in here, or you can just close these tabs in this close button. So for me, I'm just going to click on continue, then click on close to close these tabs. We don't need them anymore. So by closing, we have here some sections that I'm going to explain. So starting with the website, it's where you can manage your pages, like the home page, and if you want to delete the pages or add new ones. The commerce, it's basically where you can manage your orders, your inventory, and if you want to add new products. The marketing, it's obviously from the name, it's everything that is related to growing your audience. Scheduling, it's for setting up your calendar for people to, or your clients to book appointments with you or meetings. The asset library is where you can save your files or images to use them while you're designing your website. And then we have analytics. It's where you will have your dashboard. You can see your conversion rate, your sales, your revenue, your traffic, your geography, and all the data that you need to study. Then we have profiles. It's where you can manage your clients profiles or your audience profiles. Then lastly but not least, you have the settings. It's where you can set your domains, your Google Workspace. Also, you can set your or change the site's availability from private to public, and change the site's languages and much more. And also, you can set your store payments in the settings section. Also, just by clicking on store payments, it will take you to a page where you can connect your Stripe account or your PayPal account or your Square account if you are from the United States only. Also, you can change the store's currency from the United States dollar to any currency you would like. So that's it for these sections. Let's go back home and let's click on the editing button to check the editing phase. So by clicking on edit, you will see this page expand and give us more space for editing our website. As you can see, it will expand to fill the whole screen. So it will give us, so here we will be able to change everything in this template, starting from the header to down to the footer. As you can see, edit footer from this button, and everything in between these two, from the text to blocks to sections to the type of the fonts or the colors or the shape of the buttons, basically everything. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to give you an idea of this platform. I hope I accomplished that. Don't forget to leave a subscription and also leave a like and share the video with your friends.